This channel is for educational purposes, and all the videos, presentations, and the writings are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk after consulting your financial advisor.
Hello guys, this is Frank Another FS, and this is our weekly Elliott wave analysis and a weekly outlook on the currency pairs, metals, indices, and rest of them. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and give it a thumb like, and also click the bell icon so that you get our video whenever I post them. Also, if you have the capacity, you can share this video to other traders so that they will know how to go about the market next week. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's begin with DSY. Looking at DSY, you can see that the dollar in this uh partially has completed this correction, but something has been happening lately. So looking at it, I expected this market to move from this very point, from this box, enter this box, and then move up again. But looking at the fundamentals, what I mean fundamental, looking at the situation of the global economy, wars between Ukraine, Russia, and America trying to intervene, and Russia trying to bargain all those stuff that has been weighing down. It has been weighing down seriously on DSY. So there has been really the reason why DSY couldn't make any serious up move. So by next week, what I'm looking at DSY is to pick up from here and make a new high. Pick up from here and make a new high. That's what I'm expecting by next week. The market can choose to do otherwise. Market can choose to go up a little bit and then come down to take out this low. This low, once this low is taken out, can reverse up. So market can choose to do that very particular pattern. So all is same. Market has the final say. This is US dollar Swiss francs. And looking at US dollar Swiss francs, you can see that he have not been able to come down a little bit. I think he has been accumulating liquidity on that very point. Let me expand it a little bit. I'm putting a very good liquidity on that point. So looking at it now, you can see that we needed to fill this paper gap that is there. Other guys are not being filled. Market may go up a little bit and then come down to fill that fair value gap, then go up. So that is what I'm expecting in this US dollar Swiss francs. That's what I'm looking at for US dollar Swiss francs. US dollar Canada. US dollar Canadian dollar. This pair, I'm not trading it. You can see last week, I feel that it's going to come down to close this box. This is where, if you're trading it, this is where you'll be looking at to the very place. We are looking at over where the markets to come down to close that fair value gap, that big daily fair value gap. Close that fair value gap, then pick order, there you go. That is what I'm expecting on that very pair. US dollar, Japanese yen, US dollar, Japanese yen. The Japanese yens have been acting up lately. What I'm expecting next week is very simple term. I expect this market to come up, and next week to come up here and then go down, pick order from here, and then continue up. That's what I'm expecting with the Japanese yen, and that is what I'm going to trade. That is what I'll be focusing on to trade in US dollar, Japanese yen, and US dollar, Euro US dollar. It's Euro US dollar. US dollar has confirmed sales, but looking at the structure of this movement, let me show you the structure. Look at this structure now. Look at this structure. This look like an correction source A, B, and C. So if that's correction source, what we see is a up to this variable. So what I'm expecting now is markets to reverse to this box, then pick order to this very place. Maybe here, now see a very big reversal at the top. So this is what's the possibility I'm looking at on the Euro US dollar. So, but if the market did not come to close if the market did not come down to close that fair value gap, then you might get something like, let's say, you get something to come, market to come up here and then drop again before very long again. So, any which one, I'll be watching it, and every detail will be, every other detail will be dropped on our Telegram channel. So if you're not in our Telegram channel, do well to enter there so that you get whatever we are putting there. Okay, this is Great Britain, US dollar. Current is at the trend line. You can see the trend line. And looking at it, you can see the structure also, ABC structure, A, B, and C structure. So looking at it, you will see something like correction because there, and they break to this structure and up high. So this is a possibility, and market can choose to do otherwise, like this, to crash down below. But I don't see it happening. What I see is that there's going to be a pullback and up move. Using of these fundamentals is that fundamentals, dollar has become weak, and due to the war and the Russia-Ukraine stuff, the war has been going on dollars. So it's why dollar to be weak, and dollar has been weak throughout that season. What I'm expecting any everything Malaysia. Australian dollar. Australian dollar, within the markets to come to that very point. It's very close and then sell below. It's putting Australian dollar, US dollar. Uh, this is uh, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. What am I really expecting? The markets to close this fair value gap to here, then sell to this very place. This is where I will see a very good setup for buy. But looking at the fundamentals that has been happening literally in the global scene, dollar may be weakening a lot. You see it going up a little bit, even to year. Dollar, it will be weak. Other things are not in positions. So, expect anything from the market. Anything from the market. This is this is a little bit Euro Japanese yen. So allow the market to come up a little bit, then drop the look for buy setup. Buy again. What's coming with? I'm looking to sell Euro Japanese yen. It's one of my expected trade to trade this week. Very good. Great Britain Japanese yen. Of course, I'm just getting into to sell from here down. But looking at the movement, it will be a break towards up here before a sell. There will be a dot up, wake up before a sell. Good. Good. Due to this current global crisis, I expected good to give me a correction here and then boom, break up. I don't expect it to sell again from here. I don't see it coming down again to this very point. I don't see it coming down again. What I see it is going up because of this global issues of Iran and Iraq. So just see a correction. Let me go down to the 4 time frame, 4 hour time frame. So you see what I have there. See what I have there. And see it clearly. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I expect good by next week to go up a little bit. This correction to this very point. This breakup block picks some other here and then go up again. So this is what I'm putting in good. Silver is something. You can see my silver. You can see silver. This is A, B, C. Let me label it. This is A, this is B. So I'm expecting C. This C may not be this D to deep. It just may not be to the majority. It will not be this deep. It will be something here. Something within this 100%, 100%. So let's spell it a bit better. This is where I'm choosing to reverse from. Present from 35 within the range of $35 to $34. Expect it to return reverse from that place. US oil, I told you US oil is going to sell, but I expected it to come up to this very point before selling, but the market decided to sell that coming day again. So if you want to trade it, there's still more sell to come. If you want to trade this, very simple. You wait for the market to reverse. If you want to sell it, then you wait for the market to reverse. Market may choose to come up. Wait for pullback. 1 point. Then you sell it down to here. That's what I see oil doing. Okay, this it's in this. So I'm still holding my position of this in this. I wanted it to come to this very place. I wanted it to come to this very place. This is where the big orders are, big players are. So I'll pick out that there and go. There's another block there that triggered this movement. You went to that other block and triggered this movement. So I wanted it to come down again to this very place to complete that correction before I will start buying. Something goes here. So it has not really come to the place I wanted it to come. This is the place I wanted to come. This support. So I expected this to come to that support, to test that support before I can start buying it. So you have not really come there. So by Monday, you will see it going up again to here before coming down to come to that text this place and then go. So once that place is test, I will have full confidence to buy this US30 and make a lot of profits. NASDAQ. NASDAQ is flying. The same thing going on. NASDAQ did not obey. NASDAQ did not claim all the liquidity I wanted to claim. I wanted to come and test here, but markets go halfway and start going up. So you may see it break this up and then come down again, go up again. So it may not come here again. But NASDAQ is highly bullish, it's hyper bullish. So it may not come down again. After that, sink in January, February. So you have not been up. We have been up throughout this year. And I expect it to come down again, unless that is this ongoing war will take a drastic turn. Then you can see it coming down again. if this war escalates, then that's not that way for. But if the war did not escalate, the last news I hear that Russia said they must give them the eastern Ukraine. And if that negotiation go through and the war ended, then dollar will become strong again. Okay, this is the BTC. Of course, this is A, B, and C. So I don't this is to make a new high. I don't this is to make a new high. This is going to make a new high here, maybe 128, 125, anything before sale starts. So that's what I put in BTC, a new high. So if you're buying BTC, right on track. Which one again? Last week, I told the tell you, I bought it from here and I sold here. I didn't know that I was going to make this high. So I sold around for 39 something. It break up and make almost 4,200. That's good. So the next is this Litecoin. So I'm waiting presently for Litecoin. I hope it can come down to put me in before making a new high. Litecoin may go to 200, 200, 180. So get ready to, yeah, buying Litecoin is good. As somebody to go to 200 or $180 per Litecoin. Okay, that is all, guys. And if you're also to the channel, please subscribe and also click this video a thumb like. You can join our Telegram channel or WhatsApp channel. Anyone you wish to join, we'll share updates, we share trades and setups. So by next month, I will be giving up my VIP setup for free for complete 1 month for everybody in Telegram, for everybody in WhatsApp channel. So if you're not there, you'll get on top there and have a very good trade. Okay, guys, this is all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.